Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download and install Pinterest. So Pinterest is a visual discovery engine for finding ideas like recipes, homes, and style inspiration and more. With billions of pins on Pinterest, you'll always find ideas to spark inspiration. When you discover pins you love, save them to boards to keep your ideas organized and easy to find. So it sounds good in every aspect, guys, and you have to try it. To try it, you have to install it. So I'll teach you how to install it in this video. So to enter in the world of Pinterest, let's learn how to install it. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. So to install Pinterest, first of all, go to the Play Store. Now go to the search box and type Pinterest in there. Now tap on the green button of install on the top right corner. Now you are ready to process, you just have to wait for it to get installed. So the Pinterest has already been installed and it is really easy. So that is how you can easily install Pinterest. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.